Hello and welcome to Class FitSugar. My name is Tanya and this is your 10-minute glute burnout. For today's class, all you'll need is your mini band. So if you have your POPSUGAR mini band, go ahead and grab it. All right, folks, go ahead and grab your band and place it around the legs. You want to make sure that you're about 1 to 2 inches above the knees and avoid on the kneecaps. From there, go ahead and take your stance about hip distance apart. Connect to the core right away. Give me a nice deep squat. Once you find it, open up the shoulders, find the connection to the core, send those glutes all the way back. We have narrow, medium, wide, and lift all the way up. We're gonna do that on the right side for a bit, and then we'll do it on the left side, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and find yourself center. Send those glutes all the way back. Take it out, and lift. That's it. Extend out, and lift. Make sure that as you go out into that wider stance, into that side lunge, that both of your feet are facing forward. Often what happens in that position is that we start to turn that leg out, and do your best to keep it forward. Send it all the way out. We have 30 more seconds on this side. Maybe try to go a little bit deeper. Can you get deeper? Send those glutes down. I like to think of, remember we were in kindergarten and we had that small chair? Sit low, find it low. Very nice. We're just warming up the glutes. We want to make sure the entire glute is ready for our workout for the day. Give me 10 more seconds. How much more can you activate that band on that side? Here we go. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Find that squat, narrow, wide, and lift. Again, check in with both of those feet. Make sure your feet are facing forward. Send the glutes back, connect the core. I know we're doing glutes, but you can always activate the core, because what? Why not? I mean, I love connecting to the core. Send those legs all the way out. Woo! I'm already feeling that burn on that side, and I'm wearing a light band. For those who are wearing that POPSUGAR heavy one, you know what? Do you. Great job, everybody. We have 20 seconds left on the clock. Now, if you find that this side started burning right away, it's only because that side was stabilizing as you were moving your other leg. Okay, home stretch for this side. I'm gonna count you down. We're for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Right away, go ahead and find that deep squat. Lift that right heel, press down. Left heel, press down. Right, left, right, left. Stay with me. Imagine we're in Italy. We're in a big bowl of grapes, smashing those grapes. Let's take it up for 10 seconds. 10, da, 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 da. Yes, 9, 8, 7, get lower. 5, 4, 3, I know that's burning. 2, 1, hold that squat. Over the chest, connect to the core, sit back in your heels. Can you get lower? Oh yeah, 1 inch. Oh, I'll take 3, yes. Let's go, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift all the way up. Oh, shake that out. Okay, come all the way down into your mat. Tabletop position. We'll extend that leg long, connect to the core, long spine. We lift and lower that leg. Woo! My glutes. Take it up and down. Excellent. Give me 3 more. 2. Hold that there. Hold that leg. Now, if you find that you're feeling it right at the top of that glute, you're in the dancer booty. Oh, yes, that burn. Here you go for 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Next one, bend, extend all the way out. Imagine you're touching something back there. Maybe you have a pet. Reach for your pet. Take it all the way out. Very nice. Here for 5, and 4, and 3, 2, extend the leg all the way there. Nice, and give me circles. Woo! Connect to that core. All right, counting you down. That's just 1 set. 5. Here for 4, 3, 2, and 1, bring it down, very nice. Okay, go ahead and shimmy that band down. So you're gonna take that band right around the calf muscle. Yes, we're gonna do the same variations. Okay, go ahead and take that leg out. And if that band slides down, don't worry about it, just stay with me. Lift and lower to start, give me 10. Connect to that core. Extend all the way out. Think of that toe passing through the walls of the house, the apartment, long leg. Here for 3, 2, 1. We hold that leg there. Nice, connect to that core. Stay with me, squeeze that glute for 3, 2, and 1. Now pulse that leg up there. Now make that pulse small. Believe it or not, the smaller it is, the smaller those muscles that we're working on. Those are those hard to reach ones. 3, you have 2, and 1. Tap it down, extend it out. Down and extend. Yes. Oh, get it in there. We're almost there. Give me 4. You have 3. You have 2. And 1. Hold it there. Tiny circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Make it count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Bring it down. Give me a quick child's pose. And lift up. Excellent. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. I'm just gonna stand up because it's easier to shimmy this band back up to its original position. 1 to 2 inches above the knees. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, go ahead and take that leg. Extend it all the way out. And we lift and lower. Always find that the band has a mind of its own. And what do? We just work with it. Here we go. You have 3. You have 2, 1. Hold that extension, squeeze the glute. Nice. Long spine, rib cage pulled all the way up and in. 2, and 1. Try to lift that leg even higher. And we pulse there for 9. Yes, 8. You got it. 7, 6, for 5. Oh, 4, 3. Connect to that core. 2, and 1. Very nice. Go ahead and tap it down, extend it out. Oh yes, reach that toe all the way out there. I want you to think, the longer the leg, the longer the muscle. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it out there. 1, tiny circles, just 10. Excellent, draw on that. Imagine you're drawing like a smaller than a basketball, but almost that size. 2, and 1, bring it down. Very nice. All right, let's take it back down to our calf muscles again. Get that final burn. Extend that leg all the way out. Lift and lower. I have to say, I think this band just likes that side. As long as you feel that activation in the band, that's what we want. Here we go, 2, and 1. From there, hold it, connect to that core. Almost as if you can reach that opposite arm up. Yes. 2, and 1. We pulse it here. Nice, keep that length of the leg. Excellent, all the way through the hamstring. Ooh, that glute is burning. 2, 1, tap it down. Extend it out. We're almost there. Now what I love about this 10-minute workout is that you can add it to any other workout. Or if you're just like, I want a nice burn for a quick 10 minutes, find it, press play. 2, and 1. Here we go. Let's finish strong for 10. 9 circles. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it all the way down. Woo! Send those glutes all the way back. Excellent work. And go ahead and roll all the way up. Woo! Excellent work. I felt that burn. I'm sure you did. And if you didn't, grab that heavy band and do it again. Yes. Always a pleasure to work out with you guys on Class FitSugar. My name is Tanya, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.